Today I will discuss with all of you about the cell. What is cell? Cell is a basic structural and fundamental unit of life of every living organisms. Robert Hooke first discovered about the cell. Some organisms are made up of single cells and some are multicellular. Each cells consist of different cells organelles which performs a different function of the body. In each organisms, the cells are of different shapes and the sizes. Now, we will know about the cell structure. The cell structure comprises different components with specific functions. Here, we will discuss about the animal cells mainly. First of all, cell membrane. It protects and supports the cell. Next, the cytoplasm. It is a thick jelly-like substance present in the cell where the all cell organelles are suspended. What are the organelles present in the cells? The major organelle present in the cell is nucleus. It is a single membrane bound organelle and it holds the genetic information. Every cell has a one nucleus. Next, mitochondria. Mitochondria is a source of energy. It is double membrane structure. Next, lysosome. Lysosome helps to digest the unwanted materials of the body. Next, endoplasmic reticulum. It is of two types, one smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. It has a significant role in the cell. Now, based on the cell structure, the cells are of two types, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell has no nucleus in the cell and eukaryotic cells has one nucleus in the cell. What are the function of the cell? The main function of the cell is to provide support and structure to the body. It facilitates the growth by the mitosis. It helps in reproduction also and it provides energy and it allows the transport of substances into the cells. So, this is the basic idea of animal cells. We will discuss about more into our next video. Thank you.